Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to ask a question on the quora.com website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that you should tap on this home button at the top next to the Quora button. So tap on it, you will be directed to your home page, and here you can find this what do you want to ask or share box. So tap on it, and then you should add the question. So tap on this first button, and then start writing your question. And here you can select the whether you would like to set it to public or limited. Then click on the add question button down below to add your question, and after that it will be posted. Here you can either edit your question or view your question. Tap on it and you will be able to check it out if it was appropriate according to the requirements on Quora. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.